Hey, what's going on guys, it's Shivam here. Today I have something special for all of you guys. It's the BlitzWolf FYE6, which is a truly wireless earphones and this came out from Bangood, so special thanks to them. But without further ado, let's get into it. So without starting with all the things that I want to say about these earphones, let's just quickly go through an unboxing of this and see what do we have here. So first up, let me grab my knife for a second. This should work. So let's cut down and see what do we have here. By the way, you can check out all the links in the description if you want to check these earphones out, and you can also find the coupons for this product. So you will save a lot of money, like you will save like $5, which is a lot of money. You can buy a Lamborghini in $5, I guess. But you can check out the links in the description, as I left a coupon there which you can use to save some money on these earphones. But let's get this out of the way. So here are the earphones retail packaging, and let's just also take this plastic sheet away. So let's do this. Let's get this out of the way. So here's the retail box itself. As you can see, it says BW, which is BlitzWolf FYE6, which is the model number of these truly wireless earphones. But moving to the back, we have some features of these earphones, like we have Bluetooth 5.0, we have a battery of 35 mAh for the earbuds and the 800 mAh for the charging box. Another thing it says is the transmission range, which is greater than or equal to 33 feet, or you can say 10 meters, which is awesome. And the playtime is roughly around 3.5 hours to 4 hours. So basically this is the battery life of the earbuds, but if you put the earbuds back into the case, it will recharge it, and this way you can charge the earbuds up to 6 times. So in total, if you charge the rechargeable box full, you will get roughly around 24 hours of battery backup, which is amazing. But that's enough for the readings of the box, and I'm really excited to check it out. So let's just quickly open this up. So here are all the contents of the box. First of all, we have a quick start guide, a rating card and user manual, and how to get started. But we are really professional, so we don't need this, I guess. Other than that, we get this tiny box inside that box. So let's see what this is holding up. So inside that box, we have a tiny USB Type-C cable. So this indicates that this case also has a USB Type-C on the side. So this is really convenient to use, as we are almost at the end of 2019. That means the 2020 is right around the corner. So we have all the USB Type-C cable laying around. At least I have them, but most of you guys will also have a USB Type-C cables and all those ports. So this is really good, as most of the manufacturers of truly wireless earphones has a micro USB port on the side on the rechargeable case. But this is really good that BlitzWolf has integrated the USB Type-C port. So this would be much more convenient to use than the other truly wireless earphones. But let's put this aside for a second and see the case itself. So as you can see, this is really very premium looking case. We have this BlitzWolf on the front, and if you open it up for a second, we have these two earbuds sitting very nicely in the package. It says designed by BlitzWolf, and on the front we have a display which says it has 49% of battery. So that's really handy. But that's all the unboxing of this BlitzWolf FYE6 truly wireless earphones. But now let's move to the review of these earphones. So first of all, let's begin this review by talking about the case itself and all the features that this thing has. So first of all, the case. If you talk about the case for a second, the case is very premium looking and very solid. Although it's made out of plastic, but you can feel that it's a solid looking case. On the front, we have this digital display which shows the battery percentage of this device. So for now, you can see it has 58% of battery as of now. And there's one more thing that this thing can show is when you take out both of these earphones out and then just put one back, it will show that it's one, and you need to put it the second one, and thus this is 1 That means both of the earbuds are in its place, and you can close it and the earbuds will be start charging. So that's that. And on the side we have this USB Type-C port which can charge this rechargeable case. As said before, the case has 800 milliamp hour of capacity, which can charge the earbuds 6 times. So in total you will roughly have around 24 hours of battery backup, which is awesome for a truly wireless earphones. Other than that, the case is pretty premium looking. On the inside you can see it says designed by BlitzWolf, which is a very sweet touch and makes the product look more professional. And inside we can see that earbuds are sitting nicely, and it's labeled that this is the right side and this is the left side, as you can see. Another thing here is that the pins are magnetic, so if you drop this like that, it will pop it in. So if in case you missed it, then here it goes. I mean, that's that. And you can see, so let me do that again. I hope you can see that clearly. So this has magnetic pins, so it automatically takes the earphones into the place. So even if you throw them like roughly, then it will automatically take its place and start charging. And also the case is very slim and you can easily fit that into your palm like this. So for a comparison, you can see that this is my palm and it's almost medium-sized palm, and you can see that this is the size of it. But that's all about the case. But when I take out the earbuds, the great thing is that they will turn on automatically, and as I took them out, both of them paired to each other. And now this is available to pair to my smartphone, which we will do it right now. So you can go to your Bluetooth devices and just connect it like any other regular earphones or any Bluetooth device. So let's just go to the Bluetooth menu. So as you can see, it appears here. So just tap on that and it should appear. Yes. So the device is now connected and we can use these earbuds. So let's give them a quick ride. So after giving it a quick ride, I have some things to say about these earphones. So first of all, let's talk about the design and fit and comfort of these earphones. So basically for the fitting, I have to say that these earphones are really good for the fitting wise, the comfort wise. So for the fit of these earphones, I would say that these are really nicely designed earphones and fit really tightly. I mean, not so tightly, but at least you don't have to worry about these falling down from time to time. Although I do not recommend this for workout and all that stuff, but for day-to-day usage, you can rely on these earphones and I don't think they will fall out that easily. But one thing I would like to add in this is that they do not provide any additional ear tips. So if you don't have any extra ear tips laying around in your house, then this might be a little bit of problem. But the size here is medium size, so it will fit 90% of the ears. So let's hope that it will fit yours. But other than that, the earphones are designed like Apple earphones and I don't mind that. But we have here is the stem, a LED indicator and this round design on the top. And they have also provided this design element here on the back, which makes the earphone more secure in your ears. So that's a pretty nice design touch here. Another feature we have in this is that these stems are also touch control. So if you double tap it, play pause the song. You can also use it to change songs and you can also command it for using Google Assistant or Siri as well. So that's a pretty good thing that these earphones have. But coming back to the sound quality of these earphones, I would say that these are pretty awesome sounding earphones. So first of all, which is the most concerned thing of all the people with their any earphones or any audio device, is the bass. Everybody wants to know how is the bass. So for the bass itself, the earphones shine really on the bass side. The earphones have a very clear, rich and thumping bass, although it's not that of booming bass, but something like a medium bass, which mostly 90% of the people will prefer. So that type of bass I'm talking about. And moving to the mids and highs, those are also very clear. I mean, I could easily listen all the rides, hi-hats and all this tinkling stuffs and the vocals as well. Although these are very clear earphones, but for my liking, for my taste, I would prefer a little bit more of clarity. I mean, these are almost like 95% there, but there is a little bit, you will feel like there is a little bit clarity required. Maybe you won't feel it, but that's my point of view. But overall, if we talk about the sound quality of these earphones, the earphones are pretty awesome sounding earphones, and most of the people will feel justified for the price of these earphones. And although these are very cheap, we will talk about the price in a second, but before that, let's just also talk about some of the features that these earphones have. So one of the must feature that any earphone should have should be the water resistant or IPX water rating. So you will be glad to know that these earphones also has that. This has IPX6 water rating, so that means you can easily throw some sweat and water splashes onto these earphones and this would stand still. Other than that, we have Bluetooth 5.0, which means a very less lag and less power consumption and more battery backup, and also good audio quality. As said before, we have USB Type-C for charging, which is very convenient as I have all the USB Type-C laying around. Micro USB feel like so much of an old age thing now, isn't it? Other than that, this has graphene diaphragm, which means that these earphones can produce really good sound quality, and as I said before, that these really does. One more important thing here is that these earphones can also be used as a single earbud, which means if you want to take a call, like you would use a Bluetooth earphones for taking call, like that secret agent kind of thing. So basically what I'm trying to say is that you can also use this earbud as a single unit. So if you want to take a call or you want to listen to music but also want to be aware of your surroundings, then you can do that by using this earbud as a single unit. So that's all the features of these earphones, the BlitzWolf FYE6. That's a mouthful of words. But there is one more thing left in this review, which is the price itself. So for the price, these earphones, the BlitzWolf FYE6 is available for around $38 to $39, but for a limited time until the 31st November of 2019, you can use the coupons that I have provided in the description below and you will be able to get these earphones for around $35, which is awesome, I guess. But for the price, I would totally recommend these earphones. I think they justified the price of $35, although I'm always in a hunt of searching for a truly wireless earphone on different price range. Last time I tried this QCY T3, which was horrible choice, and by no means I recommend these earphones, and I said that I will try to find some more earphones under this price range which would be worth buying. So this time around, the BlitzWolf FYE6, I think this is the worth for this price range, the $35 under truly wireless earphones. So if you're interested in these earphones, you can check out the links in the description. But that's pretty much it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you did, just click the like button below, share this video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.